Hi Geminis, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do your reading from 26th of July to 2nd of August, and we'll see what are the guidance messages for you in the coming week. Alright, so for those who are new to my channel, this is a general reading. It might or might not resonate with all of you, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification icon as well, so that you will be able to get updated about my latest videos. All right, Geminis, let's see. All right, so I feel that there is a decision pending over here with your subconscious energy as two of pentacles. Subconsciously also you are feeling, you are thinking about something where that you need to take a decision, and your conscious energy as well, you are being so indecisive. Your core energy is justice, where you know that whatever choice, whatever thing which you will choose, it's the time for you to take a decision now. It's the time, because a lot of memories are gathering you. A cloud is there which is full of memories, I see over here. Let's see what is it in your reading. Let's see, justice. Okay, we have two cards, King of Pentacles and the Empress. Okay, so there might be someone, sorry, Knight of Pentacles and the Empress. So there is someone with whom you are not talking. I guess there is some kind of a pause with that person, and but that person makes you feel complete. With the Empress, I feel that this person knows you in and out. This person is a mature person. This person is someone, you can call, person is like a mommy to you, a daddy to you, or someone who is so caring that you cannot think of leaving this person, or just this person leaving your life. You cannot, you're not able to feel that thing, that this person can leave you ever. So let's see what went wrong then. With the justice over here, this might be some kind of a karmic tie, where you are, if you're not with this person anymore, so it might be this much timing only you were meant to be with. Let's see, Six of Cups, Four of Wands, and Five of Swords. So yes, it was like, you were thinking even that you will marry this person as well. You both were meant to get married as well, but something happened. Some kind of external energy I'm seeing over here. This is more of a very bad energy which ended this relationship. Something ended in your life, and but you are not able to let go. So let's see, so why are there's confusion then? Because it ended, right? Let's see what is it in your Two of Pentacles, in your subconscious side, Knight of Cups and Strength. So subconsciously you are still thinking to offer this cup of love to this person, to offer the love which you shared. So this is something more of, because you feel that you are here. You see how you are going towards taking this offer, taking this cup to just give this person, because you are feeling a lot of love for this person. But this person, I guess, they are happy in their own world. Some kind of self love they are doing. They are the nourishers, but they are independent now. I see they are happy Okay, let's see with the two of swords in your conscious energy, the tower and the high priestess. Okay, so consciously you know that this has ended. You know that this person has moved on. You know that everything is over now. But still, there is a small, slight chance that you might reconcile with this person because the lovers is in your future energy, and let's see what is that. But before that, let's see your past energies with emperor. So emperor is there in your past energies. We have six of swords with that. And what else we have? We have queen of swords. Okay. Okay, so whatever was there with you, with this person in your life, whosoever this person was, there was a clear conversation with this person, and this person is saying no in that. Basically, these both cards are very stern, and they are more like a no in anything. So from your side as well and from their side as well, there was a conversation in your past and it was a no. You might have a fight because with the five of swords, that fight was not really good. That was more of a deception. Might be somebody cheated on someone, might be somebody backstabbed someone because of some other person in life or because of some external pushing. So that is something which you were going through and you ended this thing. But what is your future energies then? The star, the judgment. Okay, so there is a calling from the universe. I am seeing over here the dead waking up. So might be something is taking a turn in your life over here. Reconciliation might be with this person. There is something going on in your future energies. I'm seeing over here there's a wish to start again with this person. I think there is some kind of a sudden change coming in your life. Might be your decision as well. Okay, because you are very confused right now. So I am seeing you over here. You are taking a decision. The choice is yours at the end. Let's see the sun card in your energies. Nine of rods and seven of cups. You are very confused, Gemini. What is it? You are confused, you are protected, you are being guarded, you are doing something over here, you are feeling very, very, there's some kind of anxiety as well in your life because with the sun card, sun is a very good card by the way, but it is not looking to me over here because you are very confused. So it's like that energy where the universe is coming towards you and they're telling you that whatever is going on in your life, it's for good, but you are not letting that sunlight come towards you. See how you are blocking this thing. So it's more like no, I will do what I want to do. So you are in that stage. Let's see the people around you. How's the environment? Nine of Pentacles with the Devil, with Ace of Swords. So if you are dealing with that person, I really feel that they are single now, they are independent, and that was a karmic bonding, whichever that was, with the person or with any situation you were in. And you are with the Ace of Swords, that was very clear, the clear message. There was a talk between you two because I see over here as Queen of Swords as well, that things took a turn, bad turn in your life, but everything was clear. So there, I don't think that that person is ready to reconcile with you. Let's see Ten of Rods in your guidance energy. Yes, Ten of Rods clarified by Six of Pentacles and Seven of Swords. So somebody was, there is the guidance. See, the one person is giving the love over here, but one person is being sneaky. So there is someone over here that that did something wrong with the other person. It might be you, might be the other person as well. So something was ended because of some kind of cheating, might be because Seven of Swords is a cheater card, the thief card who just sneaks away, and this person, you might be. So they went on giving you the love, or you went on giving them the love, but somebody was caught cheating. So let's see what is the overall energy, overall outcome. The High Priestess, Nine of Wands, and Page of Wands. Okay, so with the Knight of Wands and Page of Wands, I feel that it is more of, you know, a change is coming, because with the Judgment and Knight of Wands, there is a definite unexpected change. You never thought about it. Might be an offer, not an offer. There is a communication which is again meant to happen. There will be a communication between you two, but I don't feel that there is a very, that kind of energy where that it will last long if you are in this relationship or in this situation. Because for some of you, it's also a message that if you are involved in this situation, and sometimes if the universe is telling you, if they are taking that thing back from you again and again, so there is a message behind that. So please try to find that message, to hear that message with the High Priestess. She knows what is going on. Her intuition is very strong. So if you are trying that, if you are getting that kind of a message that this thing is ending, so some endings are meant for good, right? So I really feel that this was a karmic cycle you were involved in. This was karmic bond. So that's all from my side, Geminis. I hope you like the reading, and we'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.